Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sister. So right now I am going to my home because almost I spent today 1 hour. Okay, and right now I have to go my home. Okay, actually every day I am trying some videos make and record my confidence. Okay, so that's why I came here and record my video. So don't worry, this is a only just practicing video. Okay, and as you can see my behind many people come and go, and there are some people exercise, like some people walking and some people jogging and some people running. Okay, and some people here gossiping. Okay, so don't worry, actually this is a practicing video, and my beside and my behind uh, this area fully nice and very beautiful. Okay, uh, actually I cannot catch my phone properly. Okay, so that's why uh, shake my video all time. Okay, but day by day improve my uh, recording video. Okay, so don't worry, and the car crossed by me. Okay, and in front of, as you can see, fully empty. Okay, and my behind fully empty right now, and today's weather very cool, and I feel like raining. Okay, uh, and already fall raining. Okay, not lots of some rain. Okay, so as you can see, this area fully public place. Okay, and there this okay, and as you can see, uh, fall raining, and street already here water, some water fall rain. Okay, and as you can see, actually if we learn English, or if we want to speak English confidently, or if we want to build our confidence, must be everyday practice speaking English. Okay, because practice makes a man perfect. One day, I know, and you know, my brother and sister, uh, if you properly practice English speaking, must be your confident build. One will be okay. So don't worry, every day you just practice speaking English. Okay, because uh, your mistake one day will be your confident. Okay, so and as you can see, my behind two brothers see me and laugh. Okay, so don't worry, my dear brother and sister, because this video uh, practicing video. Okay, so don't care another person. Okay, we don't stop our our speaking practice. Okay, and this is a highway. Okay, and this brother, uh, as you can see, and my behind the car, rickshaw, and my beside here is sitting another car. Okay, so I believe if you want to really speak English, one day you will be success, but make a good habit. Okay, not lots of uh, make good habit. Okay, only just one good habit create your life. Okay, and I believe only just one habit uh, create you do create uh, And one habit, one good habit, inshallah, will be your speaking learning journey growth. Okay, so don't worry, my dear beloved brother and sister, you just practice every day. Okay, so I don't want this video long, and I want to this video finish. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and next see you soon in the next video. So all every people, so thank you so much, and next see you soon once again. Okay, and as you can see, this area fully nice. Okay, so thank you so much once again. Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye.